Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone for beginners available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone for beginners, this video will guide you through some great options. Or fun. Number 1. Xiaomi T6 Drone 8K Professional 4K. Fly for up to 28 minutes with a removable battery, ensuring extended aerial exploration. Enjoy smooth, steady footage with optical flow and a 3-axis gimbal, reducing camera shake. Navigate effortlessly with GPS and enjoy a vast 1-kilometer remote control range for expansive aerial adventures. Easily transport the drone with its foldable arms, making it compact for on-the-go fun. Capture stunning visuals with the 8K HD camera, offering exceptional clarity and detail. With foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, can be connected to APK system to take pictures/videos, transfer images in real time through mobile phone camera. -5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 10,000 m. -5G Wi-Fi 6K HD/5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. With altitude hold mode function, it can provide stable flight. The orbital motion will make the plane fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen and use the helicopter as a given path. Headless mode, no need to adjust aircraft position before flight. One-click back function, you can easily find your way home. One-click takeoff/landing. One button takeoff or landing automatically, the drone will take off or return to the takeoff position. With low power protection over current protection. Anti-interference uses 2.4 GHz technology. -4 channels, you can fly up, down, forward, backward, left, right. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easier control. It has 3 flight speed switch levels to make flying more fun. The quadrotor fuselage is made of high-strength engineering plastics, which is light and durable. Number 2. Xiaomi YK8 Drone 8K HD Professional. Capture stunning visuals with the 8K HD Professional camera, ensuring high-quality aerial photography. Experience safe flight with the 360 degrees obstacle avoidance feature, preventing collisions. Enjoy seamless, real-time video transmission with the 5G Wi-Fi image transmission system. The brushless motor provides powerful, sustained flight for extended durability. The foldable avoidance feature allows for compact storage and easy transport. Number 3. Xiaomi M3 PRO Drone 8K. Capture stunning aerial views with the Xiaomi M3 Pro's 8K triple camera setup, offering horizontal and vertical shooting flexibility. Navigate with confidence using the drone's all-sided obstacle avoidance, ensuring safe flights even in complex environments. Experience stable flight with optical flow Hover 2.0, which maintains steady hovering for clear, steady shots. Enjoy uninterrupted, high-definition image transmission with stable Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring your photos are always crystal clear. Effortlessly recall your drone with the one-key return function, ensuring safety and peace of mind during flights. Flagship 8K triple camera, capable of horizontal and vertical shooting. The bottom optical flow lens and the front 3 cameras can be freely switched. Intelligent obstacle avoidance on all sides, no fear of collision. Connect the drone via mobile phone Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. After many tests and improvements, it is more suitable for novices. No need for complicated operation steps. You can fly and take photos as soon as you start. Optical flow Hover 2.0 stabilizes flight. High-definition image transmission to Wi-Fi, stable signal, and refusal to disconnect. Powerful high sensitivity, shooting raw format pictures with great tolerance, and post-retouching as you like. Multi-speed speed adjustment, one-click return, low battery return. Number 4. Xiaomi MIJIA P11 Max Drone 8K. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and EIS electronic image stabilization is added to make the picture lines clearer. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Ultralong battery life 3.7V 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery. Battery life is about 45 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app. App mobile phone control, one-key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight. Gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, super long battery life, obstacle avoidance gimbal components, stop without collision when encountering obstacles. Brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life. 5 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, no fear of crashing. The product is light in size and weight, which can avoid aviation control. Number 5. DIXSG KY102 Drone 8K Professional. KY102 Drone is an ideal choice for beginners to start their first drone flying adventure. One key start can help users to start flying easily. The upgraded hover system ensures a stable flight at a certain height, making it easier for beginners to control the drone and capture high-quality footage. Cool light design adds more fun to the flying experience. Except to control the RC drone by the controller. Users can also control it to implement some funny and cool functions directly by your hands, which provides more ways for users to play it and brings users more fun. Explore a variety of fascinating features: gesture selfies, 360 degrees flip, voice control, hover row, spin flight, 3-speed, headless mode, one-click takeoff/landing. You can pose for selfies or do breathtaking aerobatics. Whether you're a beginner or a skilled player, our drones offer you an enjoyable flying adventure. Enjoy extended flight time with 2 rechargeable batteries, offering up to 30 minutes of fun. Features with overcurrent protection, emergency stop for propeller cords, and low power alarm to ensure a safe and reliable flight. For your first flight, we recommend an open area. We offer 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and a refund guarantee for all customers. If you encounter any issues with the drone, remote control, or app, contact the seller for a prompt solution. With its compact size and included storage case, this mini drone makes an excellent gift for friends and family. Our drone features gesture camera control, allowing you to capture photos effortlessly by simply using hand gestures. The brushless motor ensures a smooth and quiet flight experience. And the drone is equipped with 3.7V 1800 mAh LiPo included. Batteries, and the 18 minutes battery life can make you enjoy the flight entertainment to the fullest.